Greetings, IAS community. This is Principal Krasner, and this is the weekly bulletin for April 27th through May 1st. First, I want to announce that the school closing period has been officially extended until May 26th. We are now 6 weeks into what we call the VLE, the Virtual Learning Environment. And as we said from the beginning, we're prepared to deliver the curriculum through online learning for as long as it's going to take. So we all just have to hang in there and accept this as our reality and actually take advantage of the opportunities that online learning presents. This has been the message that has been sent to all faculty and students as well. We're all doing our best to keep the lesson time engaging, and it's especially important that we meet the expectations of our curriculum as we close out the school year. Additionally, we have the May 1st holiday coming up this Friday, so there'll be no online classes. And one last school business announcement: if you would like to make tuition payments or any kind of payment in person, the school will be open on May 5th. You simply need to schedule an appointment with our payments officer at her email, payments@ias.edu.pl. We have parent-teacher meetings for one more week through April 30th. If you've yet to do so, I encourage you to schedule meetings with all of our subject teachers using the calendar links that we've put together for you. You simply need to click on the calendar link for the subject teacher, find an available slot, and your meeting will be set up for you via the Zoom application. If you wish to have a traditional phone call or Skype, then you can email the subject teacher directly to make those arrangements. Next, I'd like to announce that the International Standardized Assessment, otherwise known as the ISA exam, the test results have come back to the school. So students will soon be receiving their individual reports, which will tell them their scores in 4 different disciplines: mathematics, reading, narrative writing, and expository writing, with their scores compared to international averages. We had grades 4, 6, 8, and 10 take this exam this year. So that's a total of 16 exams, and of those 16 exams, in 13, our students scored higher than the international average. We're very, very proud of the results, and we will be using them to inform our teaching strategies in the future. Next, I want to announce the essay contest winners. The prompt for Dembago 18 students was, if the coronavirus were a teacher, what is its teaching for mankind? In the junior competitions, this is grades 5 through 7, in second place, Mansour Mukanouf from grade 7. And in first place, also from grade 7, Paula Schlosek. Congratulations to you both. In the senior competition from grades 8 through 12, in third place, we had Alina Imangozina from grade 10. In second place, Yasmina Avamova from grade 11. And in first place, from grade 8, Aditi Malhan. Congratulations to you as well. The work will appear in the next issue of the IAS Times, which we expect to be published in mid-May. Essay and art contest winners have earned points for their respective houses. And I just want to remind all students that the house competition goes on. And this would be a good time to remind everybody where each house stands. So here we go, without further ado. In first place remains the green team, and they were last year's winner. In second place, red, and then purple, and blue not far behind. So it's still anybody's ball game. We have more events coming up that will be house related. In May, we have a science fair in Dembago 18 on May 6th. And we are also cooking up plans for our annual sports day competition. This will be taking place at home with individual competitions, skill exercises that are going to allow students to compete with one another and again earn some house points and have some fun while getting in shape. Lastly, I want to close with some congratulations and to express some school pride for the 11th grade students who put together a wonderful Earth Day message, which we shared with the school community. David Itrich, Sofia Ovcharek, Philip Trader, Bartek Kush, and Richard Granasco did a great job collaborating virtually on a message that is truly timeless: make every day Earth Day. So I'd like to splice in their video message one more time for a healthy reminder of what we can take away from this current home quarantine experience. So thank you very much for your time. Hang in there, everybody, and I will see you next week. Take care.
So, Earth Day is an annual event celebrated around the world on the 22nd of April to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Global climate change has already had observable effects on the environment. The magnitude of climate change beyond the next few decades depends primarily on the amount of heat-trapping gases emitted globally and how sensitive the Earth's climate is to those emissions. Glaciers have shrunk, ice in rivers and lakes is breaking up earlier, the sea levels will rise causing floodings and destruction of land, plant and animal ranges have shifted, trees are flowering sooner, the precipitation patterns will drastically change, hurricanes will become stronger and more intense, and of course, there will be much more droughts and heat waves.
The Arctic sea ice will disappear for good in summer months. Heat waves and forest fires will become even more common. And we'll have more and more deadly diseases. Later, Amazonian rainforests will change into a desert. Agriculture will drop, leaving people without any food. Ice would melt, taking away fresh water. And finally, islands and many coast nations, and later, whole world will disappear forever.
As Earth Day is approaching this Wednesday, I just want to tell you what Poland has and will achieve in the near future. So first I will be talking about the political party called Zieloni or Greens. It's not as popular as in Poland, but it's gaining support as we speak. It has thousands of members and they have passed a new laws that saves our environment. So first, they passed a law which limits the use of plastic and different clothes or bottles. Many things are just fully recycled.
When the coronavirus reached the status of a global pandemic, we managed to unite under a common goal of defeating it. Such spontaneous acts of teamwork are what makes humankind so unique. If we were to react to the climate change the same way we reacted to the virus, we might just have a chance of saving our planet. All that it takes is our joint effort.